The volunteer gardeners at Wentworth Woodhouse take a break from work in the gardens from just before Christmas each year until the early part of January. It's a well-earned rest, particularly after 2025, the year in which the gardens hosted the Royal Horticultural Society Flower Show. It was a huge event and a great success. We've had volunteer gardeners working with the full-time gardening team since 2017. The first group of 6 volunteers arrived on site on the 21st of November that year. Since then, things have moved on, and we now have over 70 volunteers working in the gardens. In January 2026, we used the first few weeks of the new year to provide some training for our volunteers. We're keen to develop their gardening skills and to encourage and support the passion that they bring to the important work that they do. If you're a regular follower of the work going on at Wentworth Woodhouse, you'll know that in July 2025, we opened our David Austin Rose Garden to the public in time for the RHS Flower Show. In January this year, Liam Bedall, head rosarian from David Austin Roses, was back on site, sharing some invaluable information about how best to prune the roses that were planted here in 2024. After the training session, the volunteer team set about the pruning task. This will help to ensure that the roses put on new growth this year and a healthy display of flowers. They flowered for the first time in their new home last summer, and they've turned this once neglected space into a real destination point for our visitors. January 2026 also saw Geraldine King return to the Camellia house to provide an expert training session on how to care for our historic Camellia collection. In addition to the training, it was an opportunity for Geraldine to see how the camellias had fared since her last visit in 2023.
So this is probably 3 years since I've last seen this collection, and oh my gosh, was I wowed when I walked through the door this morning. Wow, they are looking fantastic. A massive credit to Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust volunteers. They're looking really good. It's great to see them. They are an old collection. They have got some pest and disease, but I am just amazed. I think the way that they have been pruned is good. I think they're a wonderful asset to this lovely tea room. So colourful, and the more that we can, keep them blooming is, going to be a wonderful asset for Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust. So the top tip for looking after these camellias, well, one of the things is just to ensure that we keep on top of the pest and disease. So by wiping the leaves and removing the aphid, detritus is one way of doing it. The other one is to prune them once they've flowered, so it will encourage them to put on new growth. And the third thing is to have a very healthy group of volunteers here at Wentworth who will look after these and help preserve them for the future. And the most important thing is to make sure that we propagate them so that we can keep these lovely historic camellias going.
It's fair to say that the Camellia House holds a very special place in the hearts of our volunteer gardeners, and we're incredibly proud and grateful for the contribution that they make to keeping the plants as healthy as possible. In addition to the training sessions that we've run, there's all the regular gardening work that needs to be done as we get the gardens ready for their first big event in 2026. Over the past 9 years, the volunteer gardening teams have been working with snowdrops, moving large clumps of them from various parts of the gardens, then splitting and replanting them to create walkways that the public can enjoy. From the 27th of February until the 1st of March, we're hosting our very first Snowdrop Festival. Visitors can welcome the coming of spring as carpets of snowdrops come into bloom. We're also launching a new Gardens History Tour for those who want to learn more about this beautiful space. You can use the link in the description below to book your place on a tour. And in addition, for the first time ever, our new community garden will be open to the public. Our volunteer gardening teams created the community garden from the old drying green at Wentworth Woodhouse, literally the space where the servants used to dry the washing. It's now a vibrant showcase of how we're involving members of the community with the work that we do, growing a range of fruits, vegetables and flowers for use in the house. The volunteers have also been packaging up some of the Wentworth Woodhouse snowdrops for sale to help raise much needed funds to support the work we're doing, so you can now have a little piece of history in your own garden. This is the first in a planned series of videos that will focus on the work that we do in the gardens at Wentworth Woodhouse throughout the year. Make sure that you subscribe for free to our YouTube channel so that you never miss a new video release. And don't forget to leave us a like and a comment. Thanks for supporting the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust by watching this video. If you'd like to help us build something extraordinary at Wentworth Woodhouse, please give what you can using the Just Giving link in the description below. Thank you.